What's this, Eva? Wow. What is it?
Jingle bells.
Help Daddy. Help Daddy. What is it? What is it?
Is that for Eva?
What is it? What's that? What is it? What's that?
It's a shopping cart for Eva.
Look at that.
It's her own shopping
Put
cart.
your baby right there.
Her
Put
baby.
Put that in there. Yay!
Good girl.
Okay. What else?
Yes.
Dad?
What's this one? What's this one? What's that?
Come on, open it up.
What is it?
What is it? A what?
Baby doll.
Baby doll.
Yeah, and you put the pacifier in her mouth and her eyes open.
What
and
is
she shakes her
it?
head. Come on, open it up.
What's that?
Oh, it's a baby.
Baby.
It's a baby.
It's a baby.
Watch
Eva's
me put the thing in it.
baby.
Watch me put the pacifier in its mouth. Look what it does.
Put the pacifier.
Watch the baby.
Aww.
Open that one. Tell Papa to take it out of the box. Tell
Here.
Papa open it up.
I'll open it for
Take
you.
it out of the box.
Okay, Eva. Let's take
Open
it out.
another one.
Okay. Can I
What's
rip
this
the box
one,
or
Eva?
not? You don't want
Come
me to
on,
rip the box.
Yeah, I don't care.
Well,
Eva, look what Daddy got.
What's this one? What's this one? What's in here? Eva. What's that? Here, rip it. Open.
da 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 da.
What is it?
It's a baby.
What's that?
Now you can help Nana clean her
It's
floors.
a vacuum.
Oh.
It's a vacuum. It's a vacuum.
We'll open it up later.
What the heck?
You probably gotta get scissors and cut those things out.
Yeah, no, you see those things on the back, you gotta untwist them.
Look, turn it around. The other way. Turn it, keep turning it. They might have to be cut with scissors.
Oh, we don't have C batteries. Oh well.
C's?
Yeah, I'll get her some. What's that? It's a vacuum. Yeah. Of course, I gotta overpackage this stuff.
We'll put that together later. They didn't have the pink one. I wanted the pink one. There's a puzzle down there.
What else does he got? What's this? Let's open it. No, Sadie, that's Eva's toy.
Tell her, no, Sadie.
Say no,
It's
Sadie.
okay, Sadie.
What's this one, Eva?
Oh.
Give her, Sadie. Come on, Papa.
What's this one? What's that?
Is that a puzzle?
Yeah, Elmo
It's got an outfit too.
Oh, you say
my
thank
God.
you, Nana.
That box.
The baby.
Yeah.
Oh. One more.
Look,
What's
the
that?
baby.
All kinds of new clothes. Look at that.
The
Some
onesies
new
for the winter.
onesies. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? Look at your little jumpsuit.
She got a jogging suit.
Yeah, it's going to match your little tennis shoes, too.
Now look at this one. Looking at this baby.
What's Papa got the baby?
Oh, the baby's crying.
Papa
Here,
got
look.
the baby.
Come here, Eva.
Come here, Sadie. Come here, Sadie.
Now watch. Look.
Show Daddy.
Let me see. Let me see.
The baby.
Let me see the baby. Oh.
Take her thing out of her mouth. She moves.
And put it back.
Oh.
The baby's. She's laughing.
Oh, is baby crying?
Eva,
Here, let's
put the baby in your
shopping
cart,
cart.
honey.
Put the baby in the shopping
And
cart.
take her for a ride.
There you go. Now,
Get
Go
your
for a ride.
baby.
now you push the baby. Move, Sadie. Oh.
Say bye-bye.
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 Bye.
Oh, Eva's baby.
Oh, baby.
Oh, baby's stuck on Cookie Monster. Yeah, you can put him in the cart too.
Put the Cookie Monster in there. Put the Cookie Monster in there.
There you go. Now you can push him.
Baby.
The baby, cookies, and the baby. Cookies.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Ah, baby. Your baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Hi, baby.
Hey, baby. Hi, baby.
Don't hurt the baby.
Hey,
Help your
baby.
baby.
There's a couple of White Castle hamburgers if anybody wants them.
No, thank you. Here, you want to put your baby in there?
What are you doing outside?
I didn't want to bring him in because I was going to
Baby.
I knew that you had enough.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See ya. Go grocery shopping for Nana.
Bye.
Go buy the groceries for Nana.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.